Hello everyone, let's play a game. How to play? We will play 3 different types of games. You will guess an object based on the characteristics that will be told in the question. You will guess the nature of an object shown in the question, and you will be given multiple choices. You will guess a word from an object. You will be given an incomplete word as a clue. Are you ready? Let's get started. Question number 1. What fruit do monkeys like to eat? Yes, it's right. The answer is banana.
Yay!
Now to the next question. Question number 2. Among these choices, which fruit is red? A. Pineapple. B. Durian. C. Banana. D. Apple. Yes, the right answer is apple.
Yay!
Now to the next question. Question number 3. Guess the word. Yes, the answer is orange.
Yay!
Now to the next question. Question number 4. What are some tropical fruits? Yes, the tropical fruits is mangoes, pineapples, and bananas.
Yay!
Now to the next question. Question number 5, I'll describe a fruit, and you guess what it is. I'm thinking of a small, round green fruit that's often used in pies. What is it? The answer is kiwi fruit.
Yay!
Thank you, kids, for playing with me. See you later in another game. Subscribe with me for more fun games.